Hey guys, it's the Kill Switchable. Uh, Broke my ankle doing a 360 over gap, so I got nothing else to do. I'm gonna do a bike check. Got Fit OGs, wearing down pretty fast, but they're still good. I got the stock bar ends, stock bars, they're holding up really well. Uh, DLD style stem, stock headset sealed, stock sealed front hub, Sun Estate rim, front and back, chrome. Fit FAF tan walls, 2.3. The floor pegs, I do use them, so I'll make a grind box edit, street edit. Gonna make one with my friend. Got stock Fit 83 frame. Got Aussie twisteds. I got stock Fit cranks. Fit DLF sprocket. Shadow Interlock V2. Got the Shadow seat and post combo. It's really good. It's a lot of padding on there. So got the Primo DSG drive side guard. Stock back wheel. FAF tan wall again. Stock seal bottom bracket. I think that's it. If I miss anything, let me know. I'll probably put all the stuff in the description, but I'm gonna let you guys hear the sound of my cassette hub. It's pretty good. Gets the job done, but I'm not too crazy about it. That's it. Uh, Let me know if you want to get a tutorial or really anything. Alright, peace.